So welcome back to Touchup. So in this video we are designing this beautiful intro page using the Figma, and we are adding the animation as well. Okay, so if you see, if I click any of this slider, we are getting animation thing, and this background is getting changed, this text and everything. If I click the next slider, I'm getting a beautiful effect. Okay, same on the click of this next and previous arrow, you can go back previous page or previous slider like this. Okay, so all of this we are doing in Figma, so please do watch the full video and subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. So now first go to Figma, then create a new project. I already have some pictures, so I will use that one, existing one. You can download it from the Unsplash. I downloaded all the images from the Unsplash. So paste the image in your workspace. I will resize all the images. Then go to frame. Then go to frame, select the desktop one. Then first put any of the image as a background. So I will keep this image as a background for our very first time. Okay. Then select the image, go to the fill section and add extra fill. Okay, once you add it, if you see this, we added the extra overlay which is of the black color. Okay, keep as it is. Then we have to show menu at the top, so select the text and type some menu, for example home. Increase the size, change color to white. Copy paste that same text and change the text to something like this. You can use any of the text menu to display it. Make sure all the sides of the text is same. Position accordingly. Now add one more text, like increase size to large, then change the font to bold. You can keep it extra bold. Then add one more text. change color to white, change the text size to 36, something like this, or a little bit more, 40, and make it just bold. We'll keep it here. Then select the rectangle and draw like thin rectangle, okay, and change color to white. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now take a one rectangle, add it like this. Change the radius 0 to 20. Now on the fill, select the black color and make it transparent. Okay. Then go to the effects, add a effect. You have to change effect to background blur and change this to 10. Okay. Now add a text. Paste it here. Change the font to 24 like this. Instead of bold, make it light and set it properly. Now select any of this image, sorry, and bring it in your frame. Change to something weight like 281. Make the corner round to 20 degree. Increase the weight to like 450. Now go to the effects, select this sun icon and select X to 8, Y to 8 and blur as well to 8. So we will get this shadow effects. Okay. Now we will add another image, same weight to 281, keep it here, increase the size which matches the first one and change the radius to 20. Same, you have to add the effect 8. Take another image, put it in your frame, change weight to 281. Change round corner to 20. Same, apply the effects, drop shadow 8. Now increase the size of this frame, so increase a little bit width like this and make sure the background matches to the same. Now we will add one more image, so let me bring one more image. I already have, so bring it in your frame again, change the width to 281. You can select all and you can change all the images with at a time as well. Increase the height, make sure all the heights of the image are same, then change the round corner to 20 degree. Same, you have to apply the stroke and the effects. That's it. Now we have to add button here, so select the rectangle, change one corner to 50, then fill, change it to transparent like this, then go to stroke. Once the stroke is added, by default is black color, you have to change it to white. Now go to text and add a label to the button. Perfect. You can decrease the size of this. Make sure it will come in the center. Now you have to add a next and previous button at the end of the slider. Then select the ellipse and change it to 65. Change fill to make it transparent, and add a stroke back to white color. Then go to the plugins, add this iconate plugin, then search for the keyword like arrow. You will find a lot of different icon. Select this one, change size to 45. Make it as a group and copy paste one more like this. Flip one of them to 0 to 180 degree and you are done. So this is the first step. So our UI is ready. Let's see how it looks. I will change the zoom size. Perfect. So it's look great. Okay. Now in order to apply an animation, let's do that. Now in order to apply animation, copy desktop 1 like this. Okay. Then select the first image, remove this effect and increase the size like this. Okay. Make sure put it in the back. Sorry. Make sure all your text and all are in the front. So select everything. Mark it as a, bring it to front. Okay. And change to you can update this information as well. And now you have to put all these three to this location. You have to add this image at the last. So select this image, copy paste, bring it here for now. Change size to width to 281. Bring it into your desktop 2 frame. Change corner to 20 and make sure height it matches to a previous sliders like this. Make sure you apply that your effect. Perfect. Now copy desktop 2 and paste it like this. Same step you have to follow which we follow for the desktop 2. Okay. So extend it like this. Okay. Then we'll change name to like this. Oops, sorry, it's Miami actually. USA. And we'll make sure we move this near to this name, and you have to add this image. You have to select this image actually. Oh my bad, this one. Change it to 21. Make sure you will add into a frame. Desktop 3. And match the height. Make sure you apply the effect as well. Perfect. So you can do for all of your slider. Okay. Now select this slider 1. Go to prototype and just drag it to the desktop 2. Okay. So on the click of this interaction, we have to navigate to desktop 2, and then in animation change to smart animate, and here you have to select is in. Okay, and let's try whether it's working or not. So play it in the preview mode. Okay, so now it's loading. If I click on this one, we are getting this information. It's changing, right? So same you have to do for this one, second slider, and add to the desktop 3. Make sure all the properties of this interaction is correct. Okay, and let's try for this one. So desktop 2, perfect. Okay, in order to go back, we have this button as well. Okay, so we'll add the interaction from this button. So on the next, we have to go to the desktop 2. On desktop 2 next, we have to go to desktop 3. On the last, we have to go to previous screen, and same for this one. Go to previous screen. Okay, let's try it now. So I want to go previous screen. I will click this button. Perfect. Now if you see, right, we are getting these two images. So inside the desktop too we have this image. Just delete this image and now try it. I think we still have that image somewhere. Oh yeah, I think we are good. Yeah, so let's say this one, then click on this one, go to this. Perfect. So it's going to this slider, that's why we are getting that effect and it's working correct. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. And we are going to develop this design in actual website using the React and Tailwind CSS. So do watch the video, and if you like the video, please press like button. So until now, keep smiling. Thank you.